Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize floating on screen shortcut button for notifications function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility options menu, then hearing enhancements, and now we are looking for sound notifications, and here we have our shortcut. First we need to enable shortcut, then open this menu here, and now we have a few options. So we have on-screen button here, but we want to enable our floating option, and here it is. Here is our floating button. We can move it wherever we want. We can change its size, we can enable or disable fade, and we can change the transparency of our floating button. And of course we can turn them all off using this switch at the top. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.